Now that we've registered our first diamond, let's do our first verification. Go to the diamond screen, click on the diamond image. The diamond detail screen will come up and you'll press the Verify button. Again, you'll have to locate the diamond on the glass and center it using the blue rings, and then cover it with the container. And again, press Capture Image, and then press Submit. You're now sending your data up to the cloud. The DiamondEye system will process the image and compare it to the original image submitted. In a matter of seconds, the system will inform you whether it is a match or not. In this case, it is a match, and it is confirmed. Now, let's try submitting a diamond that is not a match. We'll use a different ring and repeat the process again. The system replies that the comparison is not a match.